Hello student, I am Trisa ma'am. Welcome to my class. Today I start our first exercise 1.1, page number 4. Okay, the first question is following the number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Here given us this number line and given the temperature of some particular places. That means here marking the Simla at 5, OT at this place. That means temperature of Simla is 5 degree and temperature of OT is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degree. 14 degrees Celsius, Simla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Already we know that number of the right hand side of 0 are positive integer and left hand side of the 0 is negative integer. That means temperature of the right hand side of 0, this temperature are positive, and temperature of negative side, that temperature is negative. That means temperature of Srinagar, Lahul Spiti is negative, that means minus 0. And Simla, OT, Bengaluru, that temperature is positive. That means positive. Now first question is observe this number line, write the temperature of the places marked on it. Here Lahul Spiti marking at here, that means we count from the 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means minus 8 degrees Celsius because Lahul Spiti, temperature of Lahul Spiti is marked on left side of 0. That means minus. Singapore, similarly Singapore also 2. That means left side on 0. Therefore, this also minus 2 degrees Celsius. Similarly, Simla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. I think you will also find the OT Bangalore temperature. Okay, you can do yourself. Okay, now I will explain the second question. Second question is what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? That means here we know that number increased toward the right hand side of 0 and number decreased toward the left hand side of 0. That means temperature is increased right hand side of 0 and temperature is decreased left hand side of 0. That means okay. Now hottest place is Bengaluru is what? 22 degree. 20, 21, 22 degree. Lahul Spiti is what? Minus 8 degree. Okay. Now difference. How can we find the difference? We find the difference, subtract coldest place, temperature of the coldest place, subtract from the temperature of the hottest place. That means 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. We use this minus because of this temperature is minus. Yes. Now minus equal to plus. That means 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius equal to 33 degrees Celsius. Therefore, difference the temperature between the hottest place and coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, I will explain the question number 2. Question number 2 is what? In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack scored in 5 successive rounded were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Jack's score in 5 rounded in a quiz 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10. Therefore, what is the total score? We know that to find the total score, we adding all these numbers. This is 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15, 10. Minus 5 and minus 10 are negative and others are positive. Now, we make it two groups. One is positive group, another is negative group. Positive group is what? 25, 15 and 10. And in negative group, 5 and 10. Therefore, within bracket I write the first positive group and again within group I write the negative group. Both are plus. 25, 15, 10, 50 and 5 plus 10, 15. Therefore, now minus 15 minus 50 minus 15 equal to 35. Therefore, Jack's total score is 35. Okay. Now, I will explain the question number 3. At question number 3, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Okay. At Srinagar, temperature was Monday minus 5 degrees Celsius. Tuesday, temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Dropped means down. Down means this also minus 2 degree. Monday minus 5 degree. Tuesday again drop minus 2 degree. Therefore, minus 5 degree and minus 2 degree. That temperature become on Tuesday minus 7 degree. Minus 5, minus 2, minus plus 7 degree. Okay. Now again, Wednesday temperature rise by 4 degrees Celsius. Wednesday rise, that means it was plus. Tuesday minus 7 and Wednesday rise 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, this plus and this minus. Minus 7 plus 4. It become minus 3 degrees Celsius. That means Wednesday temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Temperature drop means minus and temperature rise, then it plus. Okay. Now question number 4. A plane is flying at a height 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Plane is flying at height 5,000 meters above the sea level. Above means plus. Submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea levels. Below means minus. Distance between them 5,000 meters minus 1,200 meters. Minus plus 5,000 plus 1,200 equal to 6,200 meters. I explain here. There, this is suppose sea level. Above 5,000 meters and below 1,200 meters. Therefore, distance between these 2 points is what? 5,000 plus 1,200 equal to 6,200 meters. Understand? Okay.